Forex traders. Welcome to Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy Complete Package, helping you reach your financial freedom. This strategy is brought to you by Forex Central. Enjoy learning how to set up your trading room for Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy. In Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy, you need at least 6 windows to be open. Number 1. For your fundamentals and daily news release, you need to open forexfactory.com calendar. Number 2. To identify the strength of major currencies, you need to open tradingview.com and set up your currency index. Number 3. To identify currency trends for the day, open your MT4 trading platform and set up your indicators. Number 4. In your MT4 platform, run currency market dashboard. Number 5. Open a trading account. Use MT4 platform. To get $30 bonus, use xm.com broker. You may also use the link below to open a trading account. Number 6. Fund your account. Congratulations! You are now ready to trade. Thank you for watching. See the next video to learn more about daily Forex trading.